Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of the Huawei 360-degree camera. We're in China at the moment and purchased this device at the Huawei Flagship Store in Nanshan, Shenzhen. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. You'll not only get our unboxings and smartphone reviews, but also some travel content and tips and tricks for traveling thanks to tech. Right then, let's have a look at the Huawei 360 camera. We purchased this in the Huawei Nanshan store for around about £60 sterling. It's 599 yuan. And the packaging is pretty simple. It gives you some information which we can make out to be optimized for VR, that it connects to your smartphone, that it supports animated GIFs, and gives you some clear instructions on how to use it. Even though we don't speak Chinese, this pretty much makes sense to us. You scan the QR code, pop your camera into the device, and then it's there. So what we're going to do is set this up. We're recording this on my Huawei P30 Pro, but Lukash has very kindly lent his one to set it up so that we can provide you with some first impressions of the Huawei 360 camera. So as you can see, the packaging is pretty simple. I'm going to be a bit brutal here because I'm not really interested in packaging. It is a bit of weight and volume for luggage, which I don't plan on taking with me. So let's see what's in the box. So in the box, first thing, underneath the camera, there is a carry pouch. It's a nice little soft touch microfiber carry pouch with Huawei at the side and a pull string. So this is really handy for popping it in your bag. It avoids scratching the lens. Plastic casing to the camera. And that's it. So you can see it has a wide field of view camera on one end, wide field of view camera on the other, and that's the camera with a USB Type-C port underneath it. I'm going to take off the plastic covering, hand over the Huawei P30 Pro to Lukash so he can unlock that. And what we need to do is scan the QR code. Oh dear, I ripped it. So there must be another QR code in the documentation somewhere. Yes. So this is the app, or app as it's known. Let's go to WeChat, scan, and scan the QR code. Apologies if you're seeing some banding going on the device. Let's see if we can find it in the Play Store instead. Huawei 360. Here we go, Huawei 360 camera. Waiting for the download. It's a 78 megabyte file, but thanks to the really fast China Mobile 4G, it seems to be downloading rapidly. And there we go. So I'm going to plug in the camera. Okay then, Huawei 360 camera when this device is connected? Yes. So here we go, the app. We're going to allow it to access photos and media, to record audio, and to access contacts. That way you can share your content accordingly. We trust Huawei, probably more than other organizations with that. And this is an example of a 360 video that's already there. Let's skip the tutorials, they're boring. So you can see the UX is turned upside down. That is because you're going to be having the camera at the top of the device. So that was just a quick preview of the Huawei 360 camera. We're going to give you a quick view of what is happening in this room. So that's a 360 still image we took. You can see the meeting room we were in, Lukash on the side, the Huawei 360 camera in my hand, the P30 Pro that we're viewing it with, and the rest of the meeting room. So that's a pretty fast, cool 360 camera. And it is, in this case, a high resolution one, so it's a 5K overall, or 2K per camera, or 2K, so that is going to give you some crisp images, much crisper than the Insta360 camera we used previously on Tech Travel Geeks. So there we are. That was a quick overview of and first impressions as well as unboxing of the Huawei 360 camera. We'll be creating a lot of content using this going forward. I'm going to be posting some snippets from travel from this 360 camera on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So if you'd like to be notified of when we do that, please do subscribe. If you like this video, drop us a like or let us know what you like or don't like in the comments. For now, from Shenzhen, China, thanks for watching and goodbye.